Right, here we are on Duval Street. According to Yelp, the Life is Good store is supposed to be here at 408 Duval Street. It's not. It's apparently 4 blocks down further. So we're gonna on this side of the street. So we're just gonna keep walking. We're also gonna have lunch here. I want sushi. Apparently supposedly there's a sushi restaurant. The address is 1108 and they've moved there 10 years ago. So I am walking back to the truck, which is almost 9 blocks away, and there is parking in front of the store, so hopefully it's still there when I get back. There's 3 spaces in front of their store. I'm not walking too fast because I don't want to get my heart rate up, but faster than my normal speed. All right. Well, right, here we are at Joe's Church in Key West, and it's surrounded, and we're in a gay neighborhood. See all the flags? Oh, there's more down this way. And I don't understand why the houses aren't brightly colored. They're muted. They're like baby colors. See, there's a green one, there's a yellow one, another yellow one, but they're muted colors. They should be fluorescent.
You want them to be bright and colorful?
Yes. See, I love these little cottages. They're so adorable. I want one so I can paint it fluorescent pink. See, like this little gray one? It's not that big.
We're not going to live here. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, we can't live here. It's too moldy. We'd be here, what, 2 months of the year?
It's hot out here. It's going to
And then it would just be moldy when we come here. Okay, we walked from the church 2.5 blocks to this Cuban restaurant that used to be a house. It's got 4.5 stars on Yelp.
Oh, this must be it?
Yeah. We're not standing in line.
No, no reason to.
Okay, from here, Cuba is that way.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, Cuba is 90 miles that way. You can make more. See, they took the street out. Remember the street used to go right by here? They open at 5 and it's already crowded?
Or there's a bar.
Or there's a bar, okay.
And whether the bar's open other hours and the restaurant opens at 5. That would be my guess.
Okay, we're eating here at the Square Grouper. There's already a line. Dear Lord. There's a line. Okay, we're here because we were watching KYD and they had a key lime pie here. And they said the restaurant was good, so here we are. Alright, most of the Key West is actually going to be a very short video. Unless I'm editing. The reason for that is I mostly spent the time here editing videos.
That Sugarloaf key.
So it was just all editing videos. Did walk around Duval Street and we went to the Southernmost Point. That was nice. They took out the street that was there. And it's now a big old park. Okay, we're here because we were watching KYD and they had a key lime pie here. And they said the restaurant was good, so here we are. Alright, most of the Key West is actually going to be a very short video. Unless I'm editing. The reason for that is I mostly spent the time here editing videos.
That Sugarloaf key.
Okay, it smells delicious. Okay, I got something that I've never had before.
Fish.
Hog.
Hog.
It's a hog fish. It's a white fish. It's local. It's on bed of wild rice, green beans, and some sort of sauce that I wanted on the side. And Walter got a patty melt.
With salad.
With a salad. Been here 3 weeks. Does that count as a local?
No. Good answer. Good answer.
I've been here 3 weeks. Does that count as a local?
Might as well buy a house here. They're making their way back, right? They're out there trying to baby off.
That's delicious.
I haven't been up a long time, but I'm
Okay, I can't even remember the name of this freaking restaurant I like so much. Okay, here we are again at the Bent Prop Bar and Grill.
Well, they have a huge wine selection.
I like the Malbec.
They have excellent food, both seafood as well as real food.
I've only had the seafood pasta. I've been here 4 times, 3 times now? 4 times?
This should be the 4th time.
Maybe tomorrow's 5.
He could come back
I
tomorrow.
could come back tomorrow. Anyway.
Let's see what today.
Ooh, sit veal marsala.
Grouper, mahi.
Hers. No, I'm gonna have
Yeah,
the
you're
seafood.
gonna have what you like anyway. You're
seafood
gonna have the same
pasta.
thing that you have every time.
Yes, we do. Hello, good.
How are you?
Oh, that'd be great.
Yes.
And that slider working? Oh, oh my God. He's off tonight. Oh, good for him.
Good for him. My last night.
I might.
Has one more night.
I might come back tomorrow. We are driving husband to Key West Airport because he's flying back to Las Vegas today. And why is that?
Because I have to go make money to pay for your excursions. That's what we do. You travel, I make money to pay for it.
Here we are at Mexican restaurant El Malcajiti. I can't pronounce it.
Oh, I can't even try it.
All right, I like this restaurant. There's handicap parking right here in the corner. It's wonderful. And the
Other
rest.
than that, it is street parking.
It is street parking.
Hole-in-the-wall restaurant with outstanding food.
Yes, you do not park across the street.
No.
That is the Irish pub.
Clearly
They will
it
tow
says
you.
parking Brady's
Yeah.
Pub only, and there are warnings on social media that you will be towed if you're not at Brady's Pub.
Yes. So, excellent Mexican restaurant here in Key
Hole in
West.
the wall Mexican restaurant with outstanding food. We ate here a few days ago, and now we're back.
Okay. I got a bistec, rice and beans.
And I got a steak chimichanga with rice and beans. Bye. This is all of my luggage.
Here goes husband. See him in Orlando.